Hello everyone. Today I received this pocket watch from a friend who bought it at an auction house. When it arrived, he noticed that it wouldn't wind. He asked me to help figure out why the watch isn't running properly and why it cannot be wound normally. I am going to inspect the movement to see if I can diagnose the issue without having to fully disassemble it. The movement is an English Verge Fusee, and both cases are made of English sterling silver. However, each one bears a different maker's mark, as well as distinct city and date hallmarks. One of the cases is hallmarked for London, 1823, while the other features the Birmingham hallmark for 1815. This clearly indicates that the outer pair case is not original to the watch. While it is a shame, this is a common occurrence among second-hand examples for a timepiece that is over 200 years old. Moving on to the movement, it is a beautiful English Verge Fusee, but unfortunately, that is where the serious issue lies. The chain has come off the fusee cone and is jammed incorrectly. As a result, the power transmission to the movement is lost, meaning the watch cannot run. In this case, there is no other way around it. The watch will have to be disassembled to properly reseat the chain. With the diagnosis complete, the next step will be to fully disassemble, clean, and reassemble the entire watch. Make sure to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the upcoming videos featuring the full restoration process. Thank you all for watching.